Imagine walking into a washroom and you see this, and you see this, and you see this. I wonder why is no one talking about this? Why is everyone normalizing cleaning up other people's shit? Bro, do I look like I'm someone who has a PhD in pumping all of a shit? Come, let me teach you flush the toilet. Is it hard? Is it hard? At this point, the toilet bowl is not disgusting, bro. You are. Like, who do you think is gonna clean this up? Your mom. Mommy, 我洗完了. Think about it, guys. If you can't flush, what else can you do? If you are any of the people who don't flush and stand on the toilet seat, you wait till you become janitor in public water.